Hi, my name is Madalina, and in my nightstand flip from Facebook I said that I will make a separate video on how to make a leather handle. These are dupes from IKEA leather straps. I bought these screws from my local store and they came only in 5 pieces, and I also bought these toppers that I will be painting black. For the actual strap I have a pink faux leather material. I will need to cut this and I want to make it bigger than the topper with 2 millimeters on each side. The toppers are 18 millimeters, so I will make the straps 22 millimeters wide. I will start by measuring on the bottom and on top, connect the 2 dots and cut it. This strap is 30 centimeters and I would leave it that long because I want to fold it in 2. I will use double-sided tape and make sure it's aligned at the edge. I will measure where the middle of the topper is, and I chose to mark it at 1.5 centimeters. After I marked all the centers, I will make a hole through them with my scissors because I couldn't find the hole puncher for the belt. That would have been a lot nicer and easier to use. Next, I will put the screw through the golden circle, making sure that the flat part of the golden circle is away from the top of the screw. After the strap is attached on the drawers, I will screw the painted toppers in place and done! Now let's calculate how much it will cost to make the straps instead of buying them from IKEA. I will calculate them per strap. So one strap from IKEA is 5 euros, but they always come in 2 and you have to pay 10 euros for the 2 of them. I paid for the screws 2.89 euros, so for one it's 58 cents. For the toppers 5.29 euros, so one it will be 1.06 euro. For the faux leather I can make 19 straps and I paid 76 cents. So for one strap it will be 4 cents. In total, one of the homemade straps will cost 1.68 euros. So I could make 3 of mine for the price of one from IKEA. And the good part is that you can make it in any color you want. That's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, leave a comment and subscribe for more DIYs. Bye!